Every day, we travel on roads that connect us. Roads that are made possible by a material that's been around for centuries: asphalt. Asphalt, a mixture of bitumen and aggregates, has been used by civilizations as far back as 3000 BC. The ancient Babylonians and Egyptians used it to waterproof structures and pave roads, creating the foundations for trade and travel. The Romans took it a step further. Their advanced road systems, some of which still exist today, were built using asphalt to withstand the weight of their legions and the test of time. In the 19th century, the Industrial Revolution brought asphalt into the modern era. In 1870, the first true asphalt pavement was laid in Newark, New Jersey, marking the beginning of a new age in road construction. Today, asphalt is the backbone of our infrastructure. It's used in 94% of the paved roads in America, making our commutes safer, our journeys smoother, and our cities more connected. Asphalt's history is a story of innovation and endurance. And as we look to the future, this ancient material will continue to pave the way.